Good morning, my lovely people. Welcome to today's vlog. This is the earliest I've woken up ever since I started living here in the countryside, simply because I wanted to start today's video doing the chicken. Guys, let me tell you, like, once you have animals to take care of, like chicken, you have to wake up early. My mom-in-law usually wakes up so early. She's used to it. Honestly, I guess the countryside is becoming quite a teacher. It's guiding me back to my true self step by step. I can't wait for the day where each morning I'll find myself waking up so early, like 6 a.m. Naturally, no effort, as if the earth itself is nudging me to wake up, my child. Honestly, back in the city, mornings would come and go almost unnoticed, swallowed by late starts and rushed routines. Every time I wake up early, like there's something that has always happened. It usually feels like a gift. It's like a quiet time meant for me alone. The air is fresh, the world is unhurried, and in this stillness, I feel myself reconnecting with things I had forgotten. This particular chapati that my mom taught me to make, chapati that is mixed up with pumpkins. It is usually one of the sweetest chapatis to eat. It's naturally delicious. Oh my goodness. I can't wait. I can't wait for this to be ready. And it's usually very yellow. So have you ever made such kind of chapati? most of the mornings, unless I'm going somewhere, I usually just wash my face, wash my hands and my legs, and put some oil on so that I don't parara, and do some skincare, like put my moisturizer on, put my sunscreen, especially when it's sunny. Only when it's not sunny, that's when I don't put my sunscreen. But when it's sunny, sunscreen is a must. I learned doing that. I don't know when I started doing sunscreen. It's something, this is actually my first sunscreen that I've bought. Yeah, and our pumpkins are ready. So you pound them. You pound them. You put your ingredients, salt, sugar, water, oil, whatever you want to put in there, and your flour, and then you knead it. You knead it and leave it to rest. Then you cook your chapati. Kama inakujanga ukiwa I had to improvise the table because I don't know how to cook chapati when I don't have somewhere to roll it on, and I love a big space. I love a big space to roll my unga on. So I just got the table from the house to do this. And yeah, I can cook now comfortably. And I really want to learn so much. Like here in the countryside, I want to learn to bake. I want to learn how to bake a cake. I can bake a cake without the oven. I want to learn how to cook pizza. I want to learn how to sew clothes with like how to sew complicated kind of clothes, because I know how to sew with a machine, but I want to learn the complicated stuff. I don't know if you understand, guys. I want to learn so much when I'm here. Like, there's so much I want to know. So much. Napikia dengu na tuviazi na hii ndizi mbili iko hapa. Kiasi moja. Nicha inapika, watu wao wanaona nimetulia na hapo hivi. Sitaki mwakike. Sintapepa hapa. Ndio sitaki hapa. Faida baada ya kiasi kuna. Nipepe matani. Kwa kunisha. I'm cooking a whole 2 kg flour. But it was too late by the time I learned. Here they don't eat those much chapatis. I think it's because at home I'm used to, when it's time to cook chapatis, you cook a lot, because my brothers love chapatis. But yeah, now we have a whole 2 kg flour of chapatis, but with my boyfriend around, we can finish this. Sedoyo wakwa neda kimwe dire fiyo na dirikwa na dioririe modo gemwe dako gone dikonda motaro tigai totideka nyokora togaitanirira oyo ne wakwa niketi mafuta kwa kupika
Unaona venye nimepapaliza, sitaki kuweka chini. Niambie.
Now this is the one part that I wasn't able to do, guys. The like chapati needs, when you're cooking chapati, you don't want it to stay too long in the fire, right? So that it doesn't become hard. But let me tell you, me and firewood fire, it's too much. Like, I'm not used to cooking chapati with firewood. I'm used to the charcoal one. So here the fire was too much. The house manager, she's used to it. I think this girl doesn't feel heat. She doesn't feel the heat of the fire. So she helped me. I'm really grateful for that. May God bless her for that. These chapatis were actually really good. They are the ones that we had for breakfast. Also, we had them for lunch. We had them for supper. They went even up to the following day. They were just too many. 2 kgs is just too much. Yeah. So next time I won't cook 2 kgs. Yeah. Anyways, I'm really grateful you watched this video to this end. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that you watch my content every day. I hope you find it relaxing, you find it loving as I find it, because I love life here. Yeah, there is so much more to come. There is a lot to come from this side, because I feel like I'm blooming like a flower. Yeah, thank you so much. I appreciate you.